I have to be honest with you, I was not expecting much from Walmart. As somebody who's 5'2", I'm picky about fit. I ended up being totally surprised, and this is not a sponsored video. Not only I found so many pieces that fit me like a glove, but also they are actually expensive looking. They look designer, and some of these are so well made. I am totally shocked. I've tagged everything here on YouTube Shopping, so you don't have to leave the video while you shop or scan the QR code to go to my blog post. Everything is also linked in the description box. I also got a free ebook, Top 10 Petite Essentials. Click here to download for free. Starting with this fuzzy cardigan from Free Assembly. It's got a major French-inspired Sezam vibe, but of course at a fraction of the price. The texture and the jewel buttons are what makes it look so expensive. But my favorite part as somebody who's 5'2" is the length. It's hitting me exactly at the right spot. A little bit under my belly button, not too cropped, but it's just the right length to elongate my legs. And there are so many different ways it's gonna make you look so cute during the holiday season and beyond. If you got a dinner planned at a restaurant, wear this with a silk skirt. This one is $69 from Kunz, and I'm pairing it with my cognac faux leather boots from Loft. It's gonna keep you warm, but so polished. Or switch the bottom to this burgundy lilac pants. I got this from J. Crew Factory. 28-inch inseam goes very well with a little bit of kitten heels. Now, this is an outfit you can wear for office party or drinks after work. By the way, this little bracelet is my recent favorite. Nordstrom brand, only 25 bucks. You're gonna see me wearing it over and over again in this video. Fair Out sweater, also from Free Assembly. Both of these two sweaters I'm wearing extra small and feels true to size. Higher crew neck, really handy if you live in a colder place like me. I'm in northern New Jersey. Sleeve length is just right, not excessively long. And the length is where you don't need to tuck. And of course, if you want to tuck like me, I tuck everything. That doubles the leg elongating effect. Such a cozy piece, feels so warm and soft. But it's easy to dress it up during holidays. If you want to go to any festive gathering, I'm pairing it with my black velvet pants. It comes with cute patch pockets. These are from J. Crew Factory, 28.5-inch inseam with a little bit of heels. This is so flattering on shorter girls. Now the white blazer, that's this one I'm wearing. I honestly did not expect to be able to find a blazer at Walmart out of all the places, because blazers are one of the hardest things for petites. Plus, my arms are short, shorter than even petites of my height. But this blazer fits me so well. Shoulders are aligned with my natural shoulders, and by the way, I have really narrow shoulders. Now here's the best part. The sleeves, that's so hard for me to find. Even with the major petite brands like J. Crew Petite, I still feel like their blazers are too long in the sleeves for me because my arms are really short. But this really fit me so well because this is a ruche design. So I don't even need to roll it up. It's exactly where I want it to be. This is the perfect third piece that's gonna elevate any of your outfit. Underneath, I got this sweetheart neck top from Amazon, 19 bucks, and these new pants I got from Kunz, only 39, but it's a boot cut, so leg elongating. This outfit costs so little, but it looks so expensive. Fabrics is so breathable and soft. It's made of 40% rayon and polyester blend. Branded scoop wearing the extra small. Nothing flatters a short girl more than a mini dress. I found two really cute ones. For the holiday season, either of this is gonna make you look stunning. Black velvet and burgundy velvet. Both are mini length, a few inches above the knee, super leg elongating. Style is slightly different. Black got a square neckline both in the front and in the back. Very slimming, especially for those of you with bigger chest. And also, if you got a fleshy face like me, it's gonna make your face look slimmer as well. Sleeves are full length and the skirt bottom is circle skirt. That is a huge trend this season. To add a pop of color, I'm using a JW Pay waved bag, really make a black outfit stand out more. Now the burgundy got an empire waist design, so the waist starts right under your bra. This is most flattering for those of us with average chest size. I am a 32B, and it's gonna make your legs look super long. For the sizing, I tried both the extra small and small. I'm in between sizes. My chest is B cup, but I do carry more weight in my midsection. The black, I'm wearing the small, and the burgundy, I'm wearing the extra small. I feel small is more comfortable. If you're in between sizes, you may want to size up. This is one of my favorite faux fur jackets this year. Where I live in northern New Jersey, it's already quite freezing. Mornings and nighttime, we are in the 40s. So faux fur jackets is my go-to for this time of the year. I've tried so many different brands, J. Crew, H&M, Loft, and this one totally surprised me. It feels so thick and soft, looks so expensive. You would never expect it comes from Walmart. It's got that oversized colors that make the jacket look more current. And the length is exactly where I want it to be. It's long enough to keep me warm, but it's still on the shorter side, so it can still make my legs look longer. It's such an essential piece if you live in a colder state like me. For any holiday parties, I'm just gonna top it over any dresses or skirts, and it's gonna make me so warm. And of course, it can make any pants or jeans outfits look more polished. This can go from day to night and works for the office or parties. Great rhinestone sweater, also from Free Assembly. Have you ever feel like during holiday seasons, there are occasions where you're just not sure, should you be casual, should you be dressed up? This is that perfect piece that always works. It looks festive, but it's not over the top. So this is that cozy and warm piece that can make you look polished in any outfit. Even if you're just staying home, you have friends or family over, this is the perfect casual holiday sweater. For going out outfits, I'm pairing it with my royal blue wide-leg pants from J. Crew factory as well. It's actually the same exact cut as a black version, but royal blue is more of a statement piece. If you're like me, have a closet full of neutrals, holiday is the time to try new colors. Add a pop of color, and I love this ice blue fuzzy sweater, also from Free Assembly. The texture feels so warm and soft, feel like I'm being hugged, and the length is just right. It is a shorter length. I love Free Assembly sweaters. They're designed for petites like us. And holidays do not have to be just about red or green. I love red or green outfits during this time of the year, but ice blue is such a chic way to look more stylish and have a pop of color. If you're visiting somebody during holiday season in their house, or somebody come visit you in your house, a lot of times we don't know how to look cozy but still look very polished, and this is that kind of sweater that always works. If you live in a colder state like me, you're gonna need these thick puffer jackets. I am seriously impressed by how well made these are. I got two colors of white and black. First, the fit. As somebody who's 5'2", I always struggle with the fit of the sleeves and sometimes the shoulders, but these fit exactly how I want it to be. It's very similar to the petite sized puffer jacket, which I got from Ralph Lauren at Macy's. But the price is just a fraction. I paid $56 for this coat. It varies a little bit, but in general, you can get it between $50 and $70. This is like a third of the price. Now, the quality. While I was filming, after several minutes, I start to sweat. This is gonna keep you so warm outdoors. I love how it's coming up high in the front with buttons. This is gonna block the wind, and with the hood, this is gonna be so practical. Design is so thoughtful. A pocket inside that can hold all your essentials, car keys, cash, credit cards, so you don't have to hold a bag with your hands, which can be really freezing. Wow, congratulations. I am so glad you finished the entire video. Now you know the most stylish pieces to buy from Walmart that actually fit petite girls. On my channel, I do a lot of try-on hauls, and I also talk about how you dress for your height and to flatter your body shape. So check back every week. If you haven't yet, sign up for my newsletter below and you can get free styling tips straight to your inbox from me every week. I will see you in the next video.